The 1977 Cadillac Fleetwood Talisman represented the absolute peak of American luxury, a time when comfort was unapologetically grand and elegance was measured in space, silence, and detail. For years it stood forgotten, its rare velour interior slowly fading, its presence swallowed by dust, darkness, and time. A once proud symbol of 1970s prestige left to silence, until now, as layers of mud and decay were carefully removed, its iconic proportions began to reappear. Wide, confident lines, unmistakable American presence. Every scratch told a story. Every dent carried the weight of decades gone by. What stood before us was not simply damaged metal, but a masterpiece on the edge of disappearance. Each component was methodically examined, documented, and gently taken apart, because true restoration is not rushed. Preservation demands patience. Rust was carefully cut away. New metal took its place. Panel by panel, the Fleetwood was rebuilt with respect for its original soul. Precision replaced corrosion. Craft replaced decay. The heart of the machine was restored with absolute care. Every bolt tightened with purpose. Every drop of oil poured with intention. Until, at last, silence gave way to life. Layer by layer, the body returned to its former glory. Deep paint, mirror-like reflections. A presence once lost, now reclaimed. Inside, the velour returned. Soft, plush, inviting. Chrome accents gleamed once more, and every trim piece found its place again. Not as a replica, not as a modern reinterpretation, but as an authentic tribute to a golden era of automotive luxury. From forgotten ruin to rolling art, this is more than a restoration. This is a time capsule. This is craftsmanship remembered. This is history reborn.